Anele Mdoda, she is going to get married. Guys, things between Anele Mdoda and her sister, people saying they were not talking to each other. They are not in a good books. Guys, it's normal. Siblings, most of the times, they are fighting, you understand? Especially in that industry. There are many siblings in that industry. They were not talking to each other. It's not Anele Mdoda and her sister, you understand it? But some people, they will not come in public and show people that they were fighting. Most siblings in that industry, in acting industry or music industry, many siblings, some people, they don't even know. Some people, they don't even know that those people are siblings because they were not talking to each other, you understand it? Guys, most of the people, they are fighting when they are siblings. It's normal. It's not Anele Mdoda and her sister because her sister, she is in the industry, acting industry. You understand? Guys, most of the siblings, they are fighting. Most of the siblings. Some people that are in the same industry, but you don't even know that those people are siblings because they don't even talk to each other. They don't even talk to each other. You will be amazed one day. Some people saying those people are siblings. You understand? Maybe there is a function at home or something. You know that those people are siblings. You understand? Because some people, they want off days or what, so people, they will know that those people are siblings. Maybe there is funeral. You understand it? Like the Ranakas, you don't even know that Dineo Ranaka and Manaka Ranaka, they are siblings. You understand it? Because those people, they don't talk to each other most of the times. You understand it? It's not Anele Mdoda and her sister only. People were fighting, even if they are family, because the Dineo Ranaka and Manaka Ranaka, they are in the same industry. Even Dineo, sometimes she is in a acting industry. You understand? But they don't talk to each other, but they are in the same family. We don't know that they were sisters. We don't even know that. But they don't talk to each other like Anele Mdoda and his sister. You understand? It's normal. Siblings, most of the times, they are fighting. And some people, they don't even know that they are sisters or what. But Anele Mdoda and his sister, most of the people, they will always know that they are sisters. You understand? Some people, they don't want people to know that those people are siblings. They don't want people to know because they don't they are not in a good books to each other.